I've tested a lot of doorbells in my time, probably over a dozen, and none of them have been quite as simple to install as this DoorView Cam by Ring. That's because Ring took a unique approach with this doorbell. Instead of attaching it to a door frame or somewhere else to the side of your door, this $199 product replaces an existing peephole. So while it has a lot of the same features and functionality as Ring's other doorbells, it mounts to the middle of your door, providing a new peephole without having to use wires or even screws. Before you get started, charge the battery. Ring provides a charging cable, but not the plug part that sticks in the outlet. When the orange LED indicator disappears and you only see the green status light, it's fully charged. Ring gives you something called the DoorView key to help you get started. It's a little metal gizmo that helps you remove the peephole. You can also use the teeth on the other side of the key to remove paint or anything else that might be stuck around the outside of the peephole. Line up the flat side with the grooves on the inside of the door, turn it, and the peephole will start to come out. You might want to make sure someone's on the other side of the door so the front section of the peephole doesn't fall to the ground, but that's about as complex as it gets. Now it's time to connect the outside portion of the DoorView Cam peephole to the opening in the door. Separate the front and back sections of the inside mount and connect the back section to the peephole. Again, have someone outside to hold the camera in place. Pull the connector cable through the peephole, screw on the tightening nut, and attach the connector cable to the base plate. If the battery is charged, install it in the base plate. Attach the front portion of the mount and that's it. You're done. This is easily the simplest doorbell installation ever. No wires, no screwdrivers, no trouble. That makes this a perfect choice for apartment dwellers who don't want to upset their landlord or landlady with a complicated installation.